Move-out tips for tenants. Give proper notice. Please provide a 60-day written notice before moving out. All notices must be sent by email so we can properly schedule your move-out and coordinate the next steps. Leave the property as you first received it. Please make sure the property looks just like it did on your move-in day. Clean all rooms, walls, doors, and baseboards. Deep clean the kitchen and appliances, stove, oven, refrigerator, microwave. Remove all personal belongings and trash before leaving. Return keys and remotes. Label and return all keys, garage remotes, and access cards. You can drop them off at the office or place them in the after-hours drop box if moving outside office hours. Check for any remaining balances. Please ensure all rent, utilities, and maintenance charges are paid in full. If utilities are under your name, make sure to transfer or close your accounts before moving out. Be ready for the final inspection. We'll complete a move-out inspection once the property is vacant. Security deposits are typically processed within 30 days per North Carolina law. Communicate early. If you have any questions or special requests, please reach out to us before move-out day. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips make your move-out smooth and easy. From all of us at Tech Realty Rentals, we appreciate you.